All right, MGM, which again, this is the destination that was set to my Google Maps. They're engaged in criminal summoning. 9301A1, an engineered light moves across the sidewalk while they cross path. That's a hostility by Satan, that's group stalking. And this is the hostility also by Satan that's using an emergency vehicle to engage in the P.O.C. This is at least blue and red lights, and was the destination set on my Google Maps, which all the entity is aware of. This is a communication device, okay? The entity is the honking of the horn as I do this, a new movement. They're all demons. 058LJY. Stalking in the path, license plate 021ZZM. Okay, that's called criminal summoning. MGM's engaged in criminal summoning, and it's a show of hostility while this is set as the destination. They're engaged in Title 18, MGMR 222. Using their vehicles, I believe, sir, I surmise MGM using their vehicles to engage in group stalking and Title 18 federal stalking. Okay, this is a communication of a threat, hostility by a demon-possessed entity, a corrupt entity, and MGM is engaged in, it's a violation of RICO legislation. I just want to be clear. RICO charges are relevant here, and also engaging in what is federal stalking, violation of Title 18. This is also state surveillance in concert with the state, while criminal surveillance, these are demons using light activity. It's not different from what you're seeing them do, where they turn their hazard lights on. That's exactly what I was explaining. 698 ZZJ. Pulling a body out is relevant positioning. You know who's sitting on those, oh no, I don't want to go that way. Oh, go ahead. Go ahead. The entity is engaging, let me get that third party's license plate. That is 5633A1 P.O.C. The entity is engaging in the pattern of conduct in doing so while aware of where my destination. They're all monitoring. 869K74, 604U67. They were all lined up while the entity was sounding sirens, group stalking with the state, and these are commercial actors. This is commercial stalking right here. Commercially. Draining all the pockets. Star cab, P.O.C. New cab, P.O.C. New cab, P.O.C. Vehicle, this is Planet 13, P.O.C. This is nothing other than harassment while the entities are hostile. So I'm going to get this license plate because they're all group stalking, every single last one of them. P.O.C. That is, again, follow your sense. Nevada, that's license 5633A1. Desert cab. A desert cab's a group stalker. Okay? They're stalking with the state that's using an emergency vehicle as a means of light activity. Okay? The entity is engaging in group stalking and doing so with knowledge of the fact that I came to this state to document them. And this is a show, again, MGM is a third-party group stalker. They're a terrorist. In case you did not know, they're monitoring American citizens. And they're doing so outside of the bounds of existing federal law while Title 18 conduct is also underway. And this is a threat and reasonably communicated as such while the entity is aware of my destination because my communication devices are subject to federal stalking by the entity, and the entity is intentionally engaging in criminal summoning upon my arrival. Just want to point that out. That's P.O.C. It's currently 6:36 p.m. 232N73. This is P.O.C.